fuck are you doing, dude?
Fucking miss my car, right? Get the fuck up.
This is Today at RSG.
Hey Rockstars, and welcome to episode 9.
Today we're going on a lunchtime adventure to check on James's S2000. Have they even started yet? Probably not.
If you're new here, basically these are going to be ongoing episodes that have to do with the day-to-day projects we do here at Rockstar. Mostly going to be more interesting cars and a buttload of S2000 content. Because I don't know if you noticed or not, but S2000s happen to be our bread and butter. We pretty much specialize in the S2000 chassis. And you're interested in modding it or just having a professional shop maintain it, we can help you immensely. Please let us know. So if you've been following along with us, you'll remember in episode 5, James said goodbye here to his S2000 for just a little while. And then today, a couple weeks later, we're here at Excel Motorsports to check in on his beloved S2000. And it seems like they are already getting hard at work at this car. You can see the fenders put on. Everything is being prepped and fitted for paint. Get the next step going. Get James back his car.
Hey guys, it's James. Just wanted to let you guys know when to stop by, checked out my car, dropped off my headlights as well. These other JDM ones I'm going to be installing. And Victor, Excel Motorsports has helped me out so much, and they do very good work, or not even very good, amazing work. I would definitely recommend, taking your car down there, get whatever repainted, or even paint your whole car, and crazy projects too, check them out on Instagram. But I can't wait to get my car back, man. This thing's gonna be crazy. Thanks for watching.
Rockstar Garage.
Comment, subscribe, and like. Alright, see you guys next time.
Alrighty guys, you heard little Brian Spillner. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, or whatever order you want to do it in. Thanks for watching today's episode. Stick around, we got more to show you. Hopefully James gets his car back soon. Alrighty guys, have a good one.